According to you, how does Manish look the best?
Swimming costume?
Blue jeans and white shirt.
What is your best childhood memory with Manish?
A lot of memories with him. My childhood is filled with his memories. But my favorite obviously would be the games which we played on PlayStation. So whenever in summer vacations he used to come, so I was like, भाई आ रहा है तो PlayStation लेके ही आना. And not to forget जो भाभी का फ्रिज बहुत टाइम खाली किया है. It was fun.
What is your best memory with Manish?
Favorite memory with Manifa will be in SeaWorld in Orlando, जहाँ पे हम मनीफा को फैमिली राइड बोल के सब स्कैरी रोलर कोस्टर में लेके चले थे एंड मनीफा को उधर फुल फैमिली याद आ गई.
What made you feel that Manish is your Mr. Right?
Mr. Right, I think we both are imperfect. That makes it right and perfect.
If Manish becomes a millionaire, how would he spend most of his money?
If Manish becomes a millionaire, he'll make his own brand of whiskey, vodka, wine, rum, gin, beer. Keep adding. The list is endless.
He'll set up a biggest bar in the world for all his friends and cousins.
If he becomes a millionaire, he would probably buy his own villa with an open air bar where he would have a swimming pool of whiskey and where he would host parties every Saturday night. What does Manish hate the most?
What he dislikes would be uncleanliness, unclean, and of course vegetarian food.
What do you think is Manish's favorite food?
Diet food.
Sausages?
What would be Manish's biggest fear or worst nightmare?
Manifa's worst nightmare would be a closed wine store during a lockdown.
His fear would be if he's traveling by train and कोई बाहर से बुला दे, ओए पापा कहाँ जा रहे हो? So then what to do?
If not business, what profession do you think Manish would be in?
Bartender.
Since he is so much into fitness, maybe an athlete like a cricketer.
He would be a stand-up comedian for sure, 100%, 200%. What would be quite an adventure for Manish according to you?
Adventurous would be if he goes with friends on Friday and Saturday and plays cricket on Sunday. तो घर पे भैया बहुत एडवेंचर होगा.
Would be swimming.
What is your funniest moment with Manish?
During a US trip, there was this pizza buffet we went for, and the sales girl was very hot. So she told Manish, if you touch the pizza, it's yours. So he kept joking, "Ke, what if I touch you?" That was really funny.
आपको याद है वो इगतपुरी में मेरी वो पूल रिंग थी यूनिकॉर्न वाली, उसको आपने बता रही मिठरी तुझे मिठरी और एक सॉरी हम लोग चंदू अंकल के शॉप पे गए थे दिवाली में और आपने वो मिठाई आपको अच्छी नहीं लगी थी तो आपने वो बेड के अंदर डाल दिया था.
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत. होनी समझ जा.
When was your most romantic moment with Manish?
Yeah, the most romantic or the memorable one would be Mount Mary.
Which quality in Manish do you like the most?
जो दिल में है वो जबान पे है. मनीष स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड.
He is all rounder.
What is the one thing Manish would never share with you?
Obviously, girlfriend. I know.
What would he never share with me? He shares everything with me, so I don't think there's anything he would not share with me. Yeah, he shares everything with me.
His razor.
Which character's personality would suit Manish according to you?
I don't know which superhero he is, but he is look like.
वैसे तो वो सुपर के ऊपर का हीरो है, बट मेरे लिए वो मिस्टर बीन.
According to you, who is more naughty, Medansh or Manish?
Manish Kavya.
Naughty, hands down, Manish. It's easy to control Medhan, but not Manish. Seriously.
If you had to change one thing about Manish, what would it be?
I would like Manish to stop liking Salman Khan, please. रीज़न मत पूछना, अभी रीज़न बहुत है.
The one thing I would like to change about Maniba would be his address and move his address closer to us so that we can meet more often.
Describe Manish in one word.
Funny.
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 Funny.